See part 7 of 9, pin 1, create a new file, select model template, enter the units millimeter, enter the name, pin 1, click OK, create a sketch, select YZ datum plane, draw our profile for the revolve feature, start from the origin, enter 7.5 mm, angle 0 degree, 21 mm, angle 90 degree, 3 mm, angle 0 degree, 18 mm, angle 90 degree, 2 mm, angle 0 degree, 73 mm, angle 90 degree, 12.5 mm, angle 180 degree, and complete the sketch. Finish the sketch. Select revolve. By default, the section is selected. Specify vector. Select the line 8 of our sketch. Click OK. Select thread. Select detailed thread. Select this cylinder. Select manual. Enter the diameter 15 and enter the thread length 21 mm. OK. Select chamfer. Enter the distance 2 mm, angle 45 degree. Select this edge. Click OK. Right click. Orient view to trimetric. Save this file. File. Close. All parts. Go to see part 7 of 9. Pin 1. Washer. Create model template. Enter the name. Washer. Click OK. Create the sketch. Select the XY plane. Draw a circle from the origin to a diameter of 26 mm. Draw one more circle from the center, diameter 16 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude to a distance of 2 mm. OK. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File close. All parts. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name M15 nut. OK. Create a sketch. Select the XY plane. Polygon. Select the polygon tool. Specify the point. Select the sketch origin and enter the radius 11 mm. 0 degree rotation. Click OK. Finish the sketch. Now select X2, extrude to a distance of 16 mm. Select distance, the 14. Now create a sketch from XY plane. Draw a circle from the center, diameter 22 mm. Finish the sketch. Now select X2, extrude to a distance of 16 mm. Select the Boolean operation intercept. Select draft angle from start limit minus 60 degree. Click OK. Select mirror feature. Select the extrude. Specify plane. Select 8 mm. 47. Control A. Select the fold tool. Select M15 into 1. Specify the point. Select the arc center. Normal to face until next. Subtract from the Boolean operation. Click OK. Right click. Orient view to trimetry. Save the file. File. Close. All parts. This completes code C part 7 of 9 pin 1.